Good morning, guys. Here we are, Science Bellwork, week 17, day 3. Continuing that theme from Monday, are the seasons reversed on the other side of the world? Today we are going to read and discuss the two solstices and equinoxes that occur during the course of the year. We have summer solstice, winter solstice, fall equinox, and spring equinox. And they occur on a specific date, the same date, each year. Couple paragraphs to read through. Follow along as I read, and then we'll move on to respond to parts A and B. At a certain point in Earth's orbit on or around June 21st every year, the northern hemisphere reaches its maximum tilt toward the sun. At the same time, the southern hemisphere reaches its maximum tilt away from the sun. This is the longest day of the year in the northern hemisphere, known as the summer solstice. In the southern hemisphere, it is the shortest day of the year, so it is the winter solstice. On or around December 21st, the situation is reversed. In the northern hemisphere, it is the winter solstice. In the southern hemisphere, it is the summer solstice. Twice each year, on or about March 20th and again around September 22nd, Earth's axis is tilted neither toward nor away from the sun. At these times, the sun shines directly over the equator. Day and night are of equal length all around the world, except near the poles. These 2 days are called the vernal equinox and the autumnal equinox, in spring and fall, respectively. Part A, we're using the map to decide whether December 21st is summer or winter solstice in each city listed below. So Tokyo, December 21st, northern hemisphere, that would be winter. New York, northern hemisphere, December 21st, that would also be winter. Sao Paulo, Brazil, southern hemisphere. Since southern hemisphere is opposite of northern hemisphere, that would be summer. Berlin, Germany, northern hemisphere, winter. Auckland, New Zealand, southern hemisphere, that would be summer. Cape Town, South Africa, that would also be summer. Part B, on or around which day of the year does the vernal equinox occur in the southern hemisphere? So, southern hemisphere, vernal equinox. For us, that would be our fall equinox. For southern hemisphere, that would be their spring equinox. So if it's for a northern hemisphere, if you're thinking fall, that would be around September 22nd. So for the opposite of the northern hemisphere, that would be spring, which would be the vernal equinox, so September 22nd. There you have it, Science Bellwork, week 17, day 3. Hope you followed along and made corrections. Have a good day, guys.